Okay, let's sweat this baby out. Howdy. See these kids? I'm just saying you gotta watch for those. Can you hold this twist out and I'm gonna... Accidentally grab some solder right out there. Leave it there. Show. So if you see all the black spots, so this was probably not cleaned properly from the start. Oh yeah! Three-quarter fitting brush.
Three-quarter fitting brush?
And sandcloth. So, you see all the various things I did here?
Mm-hmm. First sweating it off like
yeah, then I used like when it fits, but then I don't know why he didn't. He just doesn't. He must because oh, this is tough. Oh, that's 3/4. Wow. So the problem is, what I'm gonna guess is the problem is. They didn't fucking obviously clean this good enough. See this? And then you always gotta watch what you touch shit after you clean it.
Oh yeah, like with your bare hands and shit?
Well,
getting oils on it?
Yeah. Or your glove.
Yeah.
But that's why these guys all, I fucking also, like, this is me. I finish. Like I always, after I'm done soldering, I hit it with flux.
Oh yeah.
Nobody does that except me, and it's like,
kind of, does it help to get it in the crack a bit more? You find?
yeah, like it just helps it adhere.
Oh yeah.
So that black, so when you get carbon, so this piece of sandcloth, I would probably never use again.
Oh yeah.
And then like, so now I take this guy. Now here's the problem. It's pretty fucking smooth and clean. This guy seems okay. let's just, for the fun of it.
Yeah, you think maybe like clean off the face or,
Yeah.
Well, I think Brandon was telling me like he'd often dope the face.
Yeah, that's what I do. So, you see that? Whoa.
Oh yeah, she's so hot, eh?
Yeah. But you see how it's round, and see how that's concave?
Mm-hmm.
So that round, that's your seal. It's
yeah.
So it melts together. So we're just gonna clean the face of this union. We're trying to reuse stuff because we can't afford to shut the whole building down just to change out a valve. So we're trying to avoid that on a 5,000-story building. In case anybody's wondering, the guy behind me is Kato, my trusty sidekick, Kato.
Mm-hmm.
He's my Japanese butler.
Arigato.
See? Totally Japanese.
Konnichiwa.
That's pretty good.
I think that's the full extent of my...
Dude, like you could do the voices for anime. Like they probably want a deep voice guy. If you could speak Japanese, okay, come my way.
Okay.
Okay. Arigato. Okay, we're gonna try it.
Tzatziki.
And we're gonna pop it in. We're gonna pop it in. We're gonna tap too hard, right? Why? Because that face is our seal, right?
Yep.
So it's got to be nice and smooth. No dents. And whenever you solder a union, the other part that's really cool is you can solder the nut so it won't move.
Oh yeah.
So you got to be careful you don't do that.
Oh yeah, gotcha.
And I feel like it's not a beautiful, perfect answer. Let's show this guy. Yep. Okay, you can let it go.
Cool.
No. Now we'll do like you said.
Yeah, the old dump in the face.
Do you have your flashlight or?
Yeah.
Let's just check our joint.
Do you have a mirror in your back out or?
Yeah, I should. I misunderstood you. I didn't realize it was on the non-pressure side. I thought you meant the solder joint was on that side. Anyways, I sweated off, cleaned everything really good, and it's good to go. Just for your information.